Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DIY Law. Please go ahead and subscribe. If this topic is of interest to you, please check out my other videos on this channel as well. Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer, I am not a lawyer. The contents of this video is not legal advice. It's intended for information and educational purposes only. The name of today's video is Make Offers of Proof. Alright, so let's get started. If you start to offer evidence and the judge sustains your opponent's objection, you must immediately move the court to permit you to make clear on the record what your evidence was going to be. This is called making an offer of proof. If you fail to make an offer of proof and lose your case, missing evidence will not be available for the appellate court to consider. You cannot offer evidence for the first time on appeal. Either it comes in at the trial level or it doesn't come in at all. Expect your opponent to try to stop you from making your offer of proof. Your opponent will do everything he can to prevent you from getting evidence into the record, especially if that evidence will help you win. When the court blocks your evidence, make your offer of proof immediately and make sure your offer gets into the court record because then you may be able to offer it later on appeal. Offers of proof make clear on the court's record what the offered evidence is, what the evidence tends to prove, and how the evidence supports your allegations. Failure to get evidence admitted is fatal. If you don't get your evidence admitted and don't make an offer of proof, you'll have nothing to appeal if you lose. So, get your evidence admitted. The jurisdictionary course shows you how. Link to the course is in the description below. Look, it's just a fact, too many good people lose just because they can't afford a lawyer. The jurisdictionary course will teach you how to challenge judges, how to write proper pleadings, how to get evidence into the record, how to properly move the court, how to make courtroom objections, and much more, so go ahead and represent yourself. There is help now. Since 1997, jurisdictionary has helped thousands win without a lawyer. It's easy to learn, you will learn quickly, in as little as 24 hours. You'll know how to win. Link to the course is in the description below. Take the free test and discover your legal skill level. It's fun and the results may surprise you, and while you are there, take a look at the testimonials and success stories from people just like you. In conclusion, why not learn how to represent yourself? Even if you do hire a lawyer, the jurisdictionary course training will help you understand what your lawyer is doing or not doing to help or hinder your case. Folks, justice should be for all, not just the rich who can afford lawyers. Jurisdictionary is justice for all. Again, link is in the description below, and yes, this is a plug for the course, and yes, I get a small commission if you sign up. So check it out, or don't, win or lose, it's up to you. Thanks for watching, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell and leave a comment below if you wish. Thanks again and best of luck in all your pro se legal matters.